So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to your Apple Wallet. So starting off, you can't directly link a standard PayPal account to your Apple Wallet. However, there are a couple of different ways you can bypass that issue. So starting off, you can open your PayPal app on your phone, which is going to look something like this. From that point, you can go to your accounts or your PayPal balance. So let's click on the balance right there. From there, you can see your activity and your currencies and select your PayPal debit card or branded credit card that you're using and click on manage. From that point, you'll get the prompt to add to Apple Wallet. So from that point, you can just follow the prompt or rather the on-screen steps to finish that process, and it's going to be appearing on your wallet right there. You can also add the card manually through your Apple Wallet app. So if you go to your wallet app on here, you can see the option in the top right corner to click on the plus sign. So clicking on here, you can see your previous cards, you can see your debit or credit card that you can add. So just choose debit or credit, and you can scan your physical PayPal card or enter your card details. Now this is very it's very unusual that some do that because not all PayPal users have a physical PayPal card. So if you're trying to do it like that, you need to make sure that your physical card is with you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.